Welcome guys. The Stylus Pen is specially designed for creative work. The small pen tip which makes the pen highly precise and writes small words more easily. It won't scratch the screen, no lagging, no skips, and write more freely. In this video, Top New Tech brings 5 best stylus pens in 2021. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in list and mentioned their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number is Hami Stylus Pen. The rechargeable active stylus pen is specially born for most touchscreen devices like Apple, Samsung, Dell, LG, Huawei and other Android mobile phones or tablets. The 1.5mm round metal tip creates precise and sensitive writing, feeling like a real pen for smoothly handwriting and drawing, which is a best tool for browsing the web, jot down notes, paint a watercolor sketch or mark up a document. The aluminum frame feels sturdy but not heavy. It feels just like a conventional pen. It comes with an extra pen cap and anti-dust plug that preventing stylus from dust and damage due to accidental dropping. With a gift glove, just rest your hand on screen with no worries about your palm being detected by the touch screen. It comes with built-in 140 mAh rechargeable battery. The stylus pen provides 30-35 hours active use after it's fully charged in 1.5 hours with the supplied USB-C cable. The pen will be an intelligent sleep and auto shutdown after 5 minutes of no use for power saving and extending battery life. Just tap the power button to activate it. On the 4th number is the Bearway Stylus Pen. The nicely weighted aluminum barrels with a fiber-tipped head on one end and a disc stylus under a screw cap at the other end. The both two ends tips are replaceable, that provides a smooth pen-like writing experience for your touchscreen tablets and smartphones. It is compatible with Apple iPads, iPad mini, iPhones, Kindle, Kindle Fire, Kindle Paperwhite, Android tablets, Android phones, Samsung Galaxy, e-readers, smartphones and other capacitive touchscreens devices. The transparent disc provides much better flexibility and accuracy. You can see through on the screen of where exactly you are pointing. The Bearway lightweight stylus pen is great for carrying into your case or pocket. Keep your mobile and tablet free from fingerprints on the screens. The Bearway stylus tip was made of soft and scratch-resistant rubber. The fingerprint-resistant and anti-stick screen tip. It is great for drawing, writing, etc. On the 3rd number is Stylus Stylus Pen. The latest 1.45mm fine tip and sensitive technology offers the better accuracy and compatibility, which gives you a comfortable writing and drawing experience when used on any smartphones and tablets. The 2-in-1 copper tip and mesh tip. The 1.45mm ultra-fine copper tip gives you the accuracy and superior control. And the mesh tip can be used without electricity. Please notice that there is no different press sensitivity, all lines are at the same thickness. The supporting 8 hours continuous work and 30 days standby time for only 40 minutes per charging. Auto off after 30 minutes of inactivity to save battery life. No worry when stylus out of power. You can continue your work with the fiber tip. It is compatible with most touchscreen devices like Apple, Samsung and other Android cell phones or tablets. It is perfect for taking notes, drawing, writing, signing on any smartphones and tablets. On the 2nd last number is Jamjake Stylus Pen. This stylus pen comes with an artist glove that rests your hand on screen with no worries about your palm being detected by the capacitive screen. The gloves can be applied on both right and left hands. The transparent design allows you to clearly see the traces, smooth, high precise and no jumper. It comes with a replacement tip, just simply remove or insert it. When you use it, it can be attached to the end or prevent loss. And you are not in use, it can be attached to the tip or protect the tip. This stylus pen gives you a better drawing experience. Precisely, it can meet your requirement of precise drawing. The smooth tips for your writing speed and easy note-taking. The special material nib will not scratch the screen. The Jamjake Stylus Pen allows you to control your games with precision and without worrying about your fingers blocking the screen. The natural fluidity of a traditional writing instrument and the versatility to become so much more. And on the last we listed Jamjake Stylus Pen. The Stylus Pen is compatible with Apple, Android and Microsoft devices. The slim, sleek and light, just like a conventional pencil, but with pixel-perfect precision. The new gen aims to develop a stylus that can improve your writing experience. The pen with its 1.5mm tip offers an accurate writing and sketching experience, due to its precision, and it gives you a realistic feeling while drawing or painting. It will change your work life, transforming your room into a paperless dream. Also, you can rest your hand on the screen because of the palm rejection function. The Stylus Pen with palm rejection technology provides a natural writing feeling and quick, effortless interaction with your screen that gives you more accuracy and control against the screen. There is no need to install Bluetooth or apps. Just turn on this active digital pen by simply touching the cap button. It will automatically turn in sleep mode after idle for 5 minutes to save power. The 20 hours continuous working, 90 minutes charge and 365 days standby time. These 5 are the best stylus pens in 2021. You can choose any one you like. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.